I needed something to go in this spot next to the recliner in my den, and I needed something that had storage. So I found the perfect cabinet, and it's actually a bathroom floor cabinet, but it seemed really perfect to keep everything organized. And I got it and we put it together, and I actually really love it. So if you're like me, you've got stuff everywhere. Like if you need it for the bathroom, you probably have extra towels, toiletries. This cabinet can really fix that with the multiple tiers of storage, so everything has a place. You've got a spacious tabletop, an open shelf, three drawers, and a two-tier cabinet. And the instructions were very easily to understand. You just had to follow it along and make sure you have the right labeled piece in the right spot that it goes in, because once it's together, you do not want to have to take like 3 steps back apart just to put it in the right spot. So just pay close attention to the directions and you'll be fine. But it can keep space, or you can keep my space very organized and have, places for everything to go. The details, they're super well thought out. The magnetic door closure makes it easy to open and close. The metal knob gives it a stylish look, and the drawers have this little cutout that makes them easy to pull without needing the extra handles. And like I said, it's not just for the bathroom. It works in my living room. It could work in a kitchen, an office, pretty much anywhere you need some extra storage without taking up a ton of space. Cleaning it is super simple. The surface is moisture resistant. If you need extra storage that's functional, stylish, and easy to fit into any space, this cabinet is a total win.